We will learn and we will enjoy this yummy pork ribs. Mabuhay! What's up mga kababayan ko? Welcome po sa aking channel. What's up, what's up? Ngayon po, happy Canada Day. It's Canada Day. It's July 1st. So, holiday po dito sa Canada. And we will celebrate. We'll all eat together with family and friends. I-share ko lang po isa sa mga handa natin. Itong pork ribs. I'm gonna bake this in the oven and I'll show you my recipes on how to bake these pork ribs in the oven para po masarap ang celebration natin dito sa Canada Day. So without further ado, let's get started. You, my fellow YouTubers, I have these pork ribs that I bought from Costco. First thing we would do is to remove the membranes. Normally it should be easy to remove, just one try and rip it off, just like this one. Don't forget to remove this one because it's a lot easier to eat if you remove the membrane. Removing the membrane also helps you in terms of better separation between those two bones and a lot more easier to eat. After the removal of the membranes, wash it with cold water and place it on top of the paper towel and pat it dry to remove the remaining water or moisture from the meat. After you pat it dry, I will remove this meat and then put the aluminum foil underneath. Next step is you will put aluminum foil on top of your pan so that you could put your ribs on it, and just don't forget to put a little bit of extra on both sides because you would need that later once you start baking it. Next is we will prepare the seasonings. So there's a 2 teaspoon of brown sugar and then 1 teaspoon of dried onion, and then you would need 2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I love garlic powder, so I'm putting 2 teaspoon on it. And then add 2 teaspoon of this spicy pepper medley. This is perfect for our pork ribs. Then I've added this pink Himalayan salt to taste. I love this kind of salt. Then also don't forget the crushed chili pepper. I've also harvested some fresh rosemaries and thymes from my garden. I love using fresh herbs. They smells so good and so savory. So yeah, it's better to use fresh ones. Mix all your spices together and then just put the rosemary and thymes, just like strip them into small pieces like this one and mix them. Mixing, just keep mixing. Then apply your prepared spices on top of your pork ribs. on both sides. Just flip them over when you're done on the other side. Just make sure you cover all of the surface of your ribs. Once you're done with it, just wrap it around with aluminum foil, and then we're ready to place them in the oven. Set the oven into 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 hours. Just gonna check after 3 hours if it's ready. So 275. So once your 3 hours is up, we need to prepare now our sauce. I use this original bold barbecue sauce mixed with Diana sauce with honey garlic flavor. Now remove the ribs from the oven and brush off both sides again with the barbecue sauce that you prepared. Just keep brushing, just keep brushing. Brush off, brush on, brush off. And put it back in the oven under broil for 15 minutes. And voila! There you have it. Some yummy pork ribs. You can add another sauce if you like, just for additional savory taste. There you have it, mga kababayan, my fellow YouTubers. Hope you give this recipe a try. And everybody likes the ribs. The whole family and my friends enjoyed it. And if you have any questions about the recipe, just comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel down below. Smash the notification bell so you won't miss anything that I've uploaded. Have a blessed day. Bye. And last but not the least, the food for our souls. This time it's from 1 Corinthians 10 verse 31. So whether you eat or drink or whatever you do it all for the glory of God. Enjoy God's grace and mercy. Have a blessed day. Bye.